officially. Y'all like this? Let's just get into that. Y'all like this? Now, oh, I didn't miss. Oh well, whatever. Alright, so as the usual, I am back with this look today for y'all. Don't like my hair better like that? Whatever. But your girl is back. I don't really have much to say, but I just want to say hi. I'm back. I have another look for you all. I did this for you today. I feel like it's just like a natural but super glam at the same time. I really wish I need to order me some glitter. Like, I really wish I had some white glitter for this look, because it would have been bomb. I have been loving the white like cut crease and just leaving the white blank. Like, I've been loving that look here lately. Like, I don't know, I'm just loving it. I did this look because me and my husband are about to do a little photo shoot. When Bae say, hey honey, can you get dressed so we can take pictures? Of course. That's nothing but a question. Like, honey, did you even have to ask? Just say get dressed. Like, duh. But anyway, so yeah, we're about to do a little photo shoot for his business. And yeah, so this is what we got. And yeah, so if you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching, like, share, and subscribe, and go follow your girl on Instagram at TrineeLynette.